Bella likes it too.
Is it fun? Yay! Here it comes. Here it comes, Lily. Where are you going? Are you gonna dance for us? Dance, dance, dance. Dancey, dancey, dancey. Dancey, 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 dancey. Woo! Go, Aidan. Uh-oh. What was that? No, no, Aidan. No, no. Aidan, come on. Get your controller.
Stop.
Yep. Which one stop? The red one? Show me which one's the red one.
What's it?
Okay, now push green. Push red. Push green. So it goes. Keep it on the green one, so it'll go. Just give it a second. Here it goes. Hey, Aidan. Hi. You gonna come sit? The cat likes it too. Whoops, I pushed the button. It'll go. You have to give it a second. I think. Oh. You did it yourself. Good job. Uh-oh, it fell. Oh no. Can you fix it? Hurry! 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 Oh, Lily stopped it. Here you go. Poor Lily, her shorts are too big.
Here, it's me.
Okay, I'll hold it for you. Dance, dance, dance! Are you dancing? You got the controller now. Uh-oh. Share with Lily, Aidan. Can you share with Lily? No.
Stop. Stop.
Look at Bella.
Hey, go. Stop.
Go!
Wow.
You did do it yourself. Okay. You guys gonna sit down in your chairs? Are you sitting in your chair, Lily?
Yeah.
Watching the airplane? Push the green button. Aidan.
Me.
Aidan. No, you gotta get your controller. Tell Lily sorry.
So.
Push the green button. No, that's the red one, the green one. Yeah, there you go. Come sit down.
Watch out! Stop. Stop. Stop.
Green. Push green to go. Yeah, red is to stop. Push the green button. There you go.
Stop holding me.
Go sit down in your chair.
Oh, hold me. Okay. Mommy wants to find you.
Why do you guys want to sit with me?
Stop.
Say hi.
Stop.
Bella's gonna get it. Push red. Push the red button. Now she'll get it. Watch her. Maybe you gotta stop it closer to her. Where you going, Lily? There she goes.
Oh my God! I'll try it.
There you go. Aidan, be careful.
Stop! Stop!
Come on, Lily. Come watch. Come on. What are you doing? Oh, yeah? Uh-oh. No, no, no.